so bomb and yeah. And by the way, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow to our channel. Welcome to another episode of Candy Family. So, you guys, today we're gonna be making food for our family. Can't you see, you guys? We're in our new house. We're in our kitchen. It looks so classy. And yeah, me and my sister are about to cook some potatoes, meat, green beans, and carrots. So guys, we have our new kitchen, and if you guys want an apron like this, my mom made it for us. Contact us, and my mom's gonna make one for you guys. So guys, look at us. We look so beautiful, and let's go and cook. Skyra, look at you. You look so beautiful. Let's go cook, guys. Okay, so this is gonna be my sink for today. This is gonna be my sink. It's so beautiful when you open this down. It's very amazing, guys. And right here we have my sister's sink that can close. We just do this. You guys can move it and lift it up, and then like that. So it's super amazing, guys. So this is all the ingredients we're gonna need. Look at it. All the ingredients. First things first, I'm gonna start by washing our hands. This is disgusting. You guys are gonna wash your carrots. Let's try. So far, guys, I'm doing good. Now this is gonna take the carrot. So beautiful. Let's go, guys. Skyra, you're going to take your carrots and be scraping it. Now we're going to use tissue and wipe it. Hey guys, now I'm gonna marinate my chicken. Right here we have our black pepper. Okay. It's a bit messy, but it's okay, guys. Now put in our cayenne pepper. We're gonna put in our chicken seasoning. That's the best thing for our chicken because it's chicken. It's super nice. Now we have my favorite spicy paprika. Now we can do the powder. Now I'm going to put in our white pepper. Do we have to take this off? So that's our spices. Now I always need to wash my hands. Now we're going to marinate. Let's marinate this one first. And by the way, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow to our channel. We're so grateful for 9,000 subscribers, guys, and yeah. Look at how my carrot looks like. The carrots. It looks so slicey. Do you want to touch it? You can if you want to. Yeah. Now I'm gonna wash my hands and put it in the oven or microwave. And we're also gonna wash this too, or a whole place. I'm cleaning up. guys. So you guys, now we're gonna peel. Now we're gonna wash our potatoes and peel it. So you guys, I'm gonna cut the beans, and I'm gonna cut my potatoes. So let's get started. Now I'm gonna cut my last potato. Now I'm gonna go wash my potato. My hands is active. These are the things I'm going to be using. Here we have our oil, our onions, our blended tomatoes, our green beans, our carrots, and our potatoes, and our spices. So the first thing we're going to be putting our oil. Can we try the oil? No, Scott, you have to be careful. Okay. Next is my turn. Just two almonds in there. Yeah. So you guys, now I'm gonna get her to cook for 1 minute, and then I put in my blended tomatoes. Stir. Scott, you can stir too if you want to. You want to stir? Okay, that's enough. It's time for our blended tomatoes. No, it's supposed to be. guys, this is how it looks like. Let me put one and then you put one. So here we have a paprika. What's next? What's going to be next on paprika? Black pepper. Oh, okay, you're going to have to black pepper. Black pepper. You're getting garlic and ginger powder. Or is that white pepper? That's white pepper. So you guys, this is black pepper. Now I'm going to put it in. Sky, don't stir. Not yet. Sky, that's cayenne pepper. Then why didn't you say it earlier? This is my color ginger. Right now we're going to put it now. So you guys, now I'm gonna put in my all-purpose seasoning a little bit. So you guys, there's white pepper. I'm gonna put it right now. So you guys, now I'm gonna put in my salt. A pinch of salt. Now I'm gonna stir. Guys, I'm gonna go wash my hands and put in my potatoes. And our potatoes. So you guys, this is my Maggi seasoning. Now I'm going to put it in. Let's put a little bit more. Perfect. Now I'm going to stir. It's going to be for 45 minutes. 45 minutes. And now my sister's going to close it up. Good job, Sky. High five. And by the way, guys, if you guys want an apron like this, contact us, our parents, and my mom is going to make us. This for you guys. Let's pop this aside. Let's pop this aside. See you guys until 45 minutes. Bye! And now I'm going to be showing you guys my and voila. So you guys, this is how it looks like. It looks so bomb, guys, and I'm going to put it back in the oven, and then when it's ready, I'm going to come and show you guys. Now let's close it. Perfect. Guys, this is how it looks like. It looks so well, guys, and yeah. Now I'm going to be putting in my carrots and my green beans. Put it in. Look, guys. Now I'm going to be there for 5 minutes and see you guys in 5 minutes. So bye. No. So you guys, that's how it looks like. Voila.
I'm gonna put it right here, and I'm gonna put it food here.
Right? So I'm gonna put a plate, and then this guy's gonna put a plate. So you guys, now we're gonna serve. So you guys, the final result. It looks so bomb and yeah. And by the way guys, don't forget to like, follow to our channel and yeah. Thank you guys for 9,000 subscribers. I'm so grateful and yeah. Now I'm gonna taste. And amen. Bless my mommy, bless my baby teacher, bless me, bless my baby brother, bless my dad, bless me, bless my teacher, bless my friends, bless them into the world.
Our Father, what's the heaven?
Hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen.
Good dog, good dog, Hey, the potato head. I used to put this potato head.
I'm try the carrots. It's kind of good. It's kind of good. Now I'm going to taste our chicken.
Taste the carrots now. The carrots. The carrots so sweet. Hey!
You guys, if you want to be a double junior or a college junior, click in the link below to register. Bye guys, hope you have an amazing day, and don't forget to like and follow. Peace. Let's go do peace. Bye.